OpenAI's acquisition of TBPN isn't just another tech headline. It marks a pivotal shift in how artificial intelligence will be integrated into the enterprise world. Instead of simply buying a startup, OpenAI has acquired a crucial missing piece, a company specialized in building AI systems that can read and reason over private, messy, real-world data at scale. This move signals a new era where AI is not just about impressive demos, but about solving the real, gritty problems that businesses face every day. Let's dive into why this matters and what it means for the future of enterprise AI. Most AI demos look flawless when tested on clean, sanitized data. But in reality, companies store information across platforms like SharePoint, Confluence, PDFs, Notion, Slack, and scattered S3 buckets. Anyone who's tried to layer a large language model on top of this chaos knows the pain. Latency spikes, hallucinations, broken authentication, and retrieval failures. TBPN has been tackling these exact challenges, building robust systems that make AI work reliably over messy, unstructured enterprise data. OpenAI didn't just want their people. It wanted their technology stack, which is designed for correctness and reliability, not just cool demos. TBPN isn't a consumer app company. Instead, it's focused on infrastructure specifically, enabling AI to operate over large, private, unstructured datasets. Imagine the classic problem of applying AI to a company's knowledge base. TBPN builds the essential plumbing that makes this possible at enterprise scale. Their approach involves connecting securely to many data sources, normalizing and chunking diverse content, indexing it in a way that's friendly for large language models, and routing queries through a robust retrieval and reasoning pipeline, all while respecting permissions at every step. Many developers have built quick retrieval-augmented generation RAG projects over a weekend. Scrape some documents, embed them, dump vectors into a database, and call the LLM with top results. While this works for simple questions, it often fails in subtle ways in production. Production-grade RAG requires much more: incremental sync from multiple sources, schema-aware parsing, smart chunking strategies, hybrid search, and permission-aware retrieval. TBPN has been building exactly this kind of robust pipeline, and OpenAI's acquisition signals an intent to make these capabilities a core part of its platform. If you're building on OpenAI today, expect the default experience of chat over your data to become much more powerful and more opinionated. With TBPN's expertise, OpenAI is likely to evolve from offering basic SDK primitives to providing a full-stack data platform. This means deeper integrations, managed connectors to popular data sources, and a more seamless experience for developers and businesses alike. The days of uploading files manually will give way to automated incremental sync and change tracking, making it easier to keep your AI models up to date with live data. OpenAI's platform is set to make data connectors first-class citizens. Instead of simply uploading files, users will benefit from managed connectors to services like Google Drive, OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, Confluence, Notion, SharePoint, GitHub, GitLab, Jira, and even internal HTTP services or data lakes. The real innovation isn't just connectivity. It's about incremental sync, change tracking, and maintaining consistent document identities, even as files are edited or moved. This level of integration is essential for keeping AI models in sync with ever-changing enterprise data. Enterprise content isn't just plain text. It includes tables, lists, headings, comments, images, code, and all sorts of unique markup. TBPN-style ingestion pipelines extract structure, preserve source locations and metadata, handle language and encoding issues, and normalize formats into a common internal representation. The goal is to feed the AI model data that maintains relationships and context. So, for example, a table row isn't split into unrelated chunks just to fit a token limit. This structured approach is critical for accurate and meaningful AI responses. Chunking is a critical step where many naive RAG setups fail. If chunks are too big, you hit context limits; too small, and you lose meaning. Advanced systems, chunk by semantic units, use overlapping windows that respect paragraphs and headings, and index both text and structure. Rich metadata is attached for filtering and routing. On top of this, hybrid search combines vectors for semantic similarity, keyword search for exact matches, and filters for criteria like only policies updated in the last 6 months. This is the kind of sophistication TBPN brings to the table. The hardest part of applying AI to company data isn't embeddings or latency, it's access control. In real companies, you can't have a model answering sensitive questions just because someone indexed a confidential folder. TBPN has built permission-aware systems that ingest permissions with documents, enforce access control during retrieval, and log every query and document access. This is where many teams cut corners, but with TBPN's expertise, OpenAI can offer more secure built-in patterns for retrieval, which is especially important for security and compliance-focused organizations. OpenAI has been gradually evolving from a simple model API provider to a full-fledged application platform. The TBPN acquisition accelerates this transformation. For developers, this means better native support for integrating their own data, more opinionated paths for connecting data sources, configuring sync rules, and defining how assistants or GPTs use that data. OpenAI will increasingly handle the heavy lifting of retrieval pipelines, allowing developers to focus on defining behavior and guardrails instead of building data plumbing from scratch. Currently, building AI features often means writing a lot of glue code wiring up vector databases, schedulers, sync jobs, and permission checks. With TBPN's technology integrated, much of this glue will move into the platform itself. Developers will spend more time on prompt design, workflow orchestration, and domain-specific evaluation, and less time writing scripts to sync data from various sources. This shift allows teams to focus on what really matters, creating great user experiences and robust, reliable AI solutions. Today, retrieval and reasoning are mostly separate processes. You fetch context, then call the model. A more advanced system, like what TBPN enables, can do iterative retrieval, asking a question, examining partial results, refining the query, and fetching more information before answering. This allows for dynamic retrieval strategies and better handling of complex or long-running queries. With TBPN's multi-step pipelines, OpenAI can offer tools that let the model call back into the retrieval layer, making the entire process more intelligent and adaptive. If you've already built a custom RAG stack on top of OpenAI, there's no need to panic. Your solutions won't suddenly stop working. However, it's time to consider where you might be reinventing infrastructure that the platform will soon provide better. Platform features will likely replace generic document ingestion, basic vector indexing, and simple chat over documents use cases. But your own stack will still matter for domain-specific data models, complex workflows, and deep integration into proprietary systems. The acquisition is a threat to wrapper startups, but a boon for those with real domain expertise. Think of OpenAI's evolution as moving from a graphics library to a full operating system for AI apps. Initially, you had basic primitives: call a model, embed text, store your own data. Over time, the platform starts to own more: data access and sync, retrieval and indexing, tooling and orchestration, safety, policy, and auditing. TBPN's expertise is a big step forward in data access and retrieval, giving OpenAI a battle-tested approach to handling private, messy, permissioned data at scale. Today, a typical chat over docs backend involves custom code for fetching documents, embedding and indexing, searching, and assembling prompts for the LLM. In the future, with TBPN-style capabilities fully integrated, much of this will become configuration rather than code. You'll declare which data sources are attached to which assistant, and the platform will handle retrieval and context assembly. Your code will focus more on business logic, prompts, evaluation, and user experience, while the platform manages the data plumbing. OpenAI could have tried to build all of this internally, given its models and customer base. But there's a big gap between having a great LLM and robustly operating over millions of internal documents with complex permissions and service-level agreements. TBPN has spent years building ingestion pipelines, fighting sync bugs, debugging permission issues, and tuning retrieval quality. Acquiring TBPN allows OpenAI to pull in a team that's already solved these hard, unglamorous problems, shortening the time to a serious enterprise-grade data platform. The hardest part of deploying AI in production isn't the model itself, It's everything around the model, especially data. TBPN brings hard-earned experience in dealing with real-world data challenges, ingestion, normalization, permissions, and retrieval. Integrated into OpenAI, this expertise will likely raise the baseline for what chat over your data can achieve, making enterprise AI more reliable, secure, and scalable than ever before. For developers, OpenAI's acquisition of TBPN is a clear signal. Stop treating retrieval as a side project and start treating it as core infrastructure. As the platform becomes more opinionated about data handling, developers should focus on the parts that can't be commoditized: domain expertise, unique workflows, and user experience. The platform will take care of the heavy lifting, letting you build on top of a more powerful, reliable foundation. With TBPN's technology and expertise, OpenAI is poised to redefine what's possible for enterprise AI. Expect platforms to become more integrated, secure, and capable of handling complex, messy, real-world data. The future will see AI systems that are not just smart, but also robust, permission-aware, and deeply embedded into business workflows. This is a major step toward making AI a true partner in enterprise operations, not just a tool for demos. TBPN's years of experience in building, debugging, and refining data pipelines are now part of OpenAI's DNA. This acquisition isn't just about technology, it's about culture and expertise. The lessons learned from real-world deployments, the battle scars from handling messy data, and the commitment to security and correctness will shape OpenAI's future offerings. For enterprises, this means more reliable, scalable, and secure AI solutions are on the horizon. OpenAI's acquisition of TBPN is more than just a business deal. It's a turning point for enterprise AI. By integrating TBPN's technology and expertise, OpenAI is raising the bar for what's possible in AI-powered business solutions. The focus is shifting from flashy demos to real, production-ready systems that can handle the complexity and messiness of real-world data. For developers and businesses alike, this is a signal to invest in core infrastructure and focus on the unique value they bring to the table. The future of enterprise AI just got a lot brighter.